Hello, welcome to our next episode on low blood pressure. You can check our previous videos if this is your first time of watching this channel. Let's continue from health risks of low blood pressure. Low blood pressure, hypotension, can sometimes be harmless, especially if it does not cause symptoms. However, in cases where blood pressure drops too low or occurs suddenly, it can lead to inadequate blood flow to the body's vital organs. This can result in various health risks and complications. 1. Dizziness and fainting. Impact. Reduced blood flow to the brain can cause dizziness, lightheadedness, or fainting. Risk. Increases the likelihood of falls, leading to injuries such as fractures or head trauma. 2. Shock. Definition. A severe drop in blood pressure that prevents organs from getting enough oxygen and nutrients. Types of shock. Hypovolemic shock, caused by blood or fluid loss. Septic shock, due to severe infections. Anaphylactic shock, triggered by severe allergic reactions. Cardiogenic shock, resulting from heart problems. Outcome, can be life-threatening without immediate medical intervention. 3. Organ damage. When blood pressure is too low, organs may not receive enough oxygen. Rich blood, leading to kidney damage. Reduced filtration efficiency can result in kidney failure. Heart damage. Insufficient blood supply can weaken the heart or trigger arrhythmias. Brain damage. Chronic low blood pressure may cause cognitive decline, memory issues, or even strokes. 4. Cognitive impairment. Impact. Chronic low blood pressure can lead to reduced blood flow to the brain, potentially causing difficulty concentrating, confusion, increased risk of vascular dementia. Before we continue, if you happily enjoy the video so far, hit subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification button. 5. Fatigue and weakness. Cause. Inadequate blood flow to muscles and tissues. Impact. Can lead to decreased energy levels, making daily tasks more challenging. 6. Risk during pregnancy. Impact on mother. Increased risk of fainting and dizziness, which could lead to falls. Impact on baby. If blood flow to the placenta is reduced, it can affect the baby's growth and development. 7. Poor circulation. Impact. Low blood pressure can lead to cold or discolored extremities, hands and feet, due to insufficient blood flow. Risk. In severe cases, this may contribute to tissue damage. 8. Complications from orthostatic hypotension. Definition. A sudden drop in blood pressure when standing up. Impact. Causes dizziness, fainting, and an increased risk of falls. Associated conditions, often linked to aging, autonomic dysfunction, or certain medications. 9. Increased risk of heart attack or stroke. Rare. Cause. If hypotension is severe or sudden, it can lead to poor perfusion of vital organs, increasing the risk of cardiovascular events. 10. Reduced exercise tolerance. Impact. Individuals with low blood pressure may experience fatigue or weakness during physical activity, limiting their ability to stay active. I will still urge you to subscribe to my channel for more health education like this, and thank you for watching. See you for our next episode.